Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make logo bigger in Shopify. Let's go, but before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So I'm sure it will be an easy tutorial guys, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So after logging in to your Shopify account, just go to online store like this and make sure you are on the themes tab like this. Here on your current theme, click on customize, then click on this little brush down here, click on it, and then go to logo. For example, that's my logo. To make it bigger, just move this cursor to the right. It will be bigger as you see. And if you want to small it, just drag it to the left like this. Focus here. That's it. And after you finish, just click on save button and your logo will be saved. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. And goodbye.